Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Friday, August 7th, 2009. The IRS has started repaying investors with Bernard Madoff's firm. According to the Wall Street Journal, the refunds include checks for nearly $500,000 in some cases. One of those cases is a client of accounting firm Selznick & Company, who received a refund of about $500,000. Selznick & Company is managing 6 Madoff-related cases, one of which involving a $20 million theft loss due to investments through Madoff. Staying with hedge fund news, the SEC has charged 2 option traders and their broker-dealers of naked short selling. According to the Financial Times, options traders at Hazan Capital Management and TJM Proprietary Trading have been accused of incorrectly claiming to be exempt from rules requiring them to locate the stocks they had been shorting. The traders allegedly used complicated options transactions to avoid settling their trades as required. The firms and their brokers have agreed to pay $4.7 million in fines, but neither have admitted nor denied liability. And in more news, Italian private equity firm Classidra SGR has backed out of a deal with fashion house Roberto Cavalli. According to the Wall Street Journal, Classidra pulled out as the amount of capital Cavalli required would give the fund a majority of the company, which the fashion retailer opposed. The talks ended 2 months after Classidra inked a letter of intent to buy 30% of the fashion house. And finally, Union Bancaire Privée is restructuring its fund of funds by focusing on increasing transparency. According to the Financial Times, the Swiss bank, which saw its fund of funds business drop by over $18 billion in the past 6 months, is planning to offer guaranteed liquidity terms for its investors. UBP's restructuring plan includes running nearly 2/3 of its portfolio through managed accounts. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.